actors and singers and celebrities, we call them what? We call them stars. Look at the deception. We call them stars. You know the star? See how it's nice and pretty and so high you can't get to it? They're stars. They're celebrities. Yet they're dying to drug overdoses on a weekly basis. Suicides again and again. What's happening, man? What's going on? Fame, they have. Money, abundant. Status, as you know. Cars, pick one. Women, can't remember who I had last night. Yet, I'm taking my own life. Yet, I find peace for a couple of minutes in a syringe. What's happening, man? Allah says, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا. Allah says, and whoever stays away from my remembrance, Muslim and non-Muslim alike, then for this person is a miserable life. What good is money and cars and women and children? What good is all this if you yourself don't even know what your purpose on this earth is? What good are all of these things if I don't have true contentment and peace in my heart? You know, I came across a saying. It says happiness is not how much you have. True happiness is how much you can live without. That's real happiness. And wallahi, my brothers and sisters, you will only ever find true happiness with Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, and I will end with this. Allah says, what? Ala bi dhikrillah. Allah says, verily in the remembrance of Allah, what happens? Allah says, verily in the remembrance of Allah, the hearts, they find what? They find rest. Many people say, no, that the hearts find happiness. No, I sort of beg to differ. Because you know, some people try to convince you that money doesn't bring happiness. Brother, give me $1 million and I'll show you smiles you've never seen before. And some people try to convince me that, you know, if you're a boy, girls, and if you're a girl, men, right? That the opposite sex doesn't bring you happiness. I tell you, brother, give me a couple of blondies and I'll show you happiness. Really, let's be real. And people try to tell me that cocaine, and either you haven't tried it before, brother, or I don't know where you live, man. But notice how Allah doesn't say happiness. These things, yes, they do bring you a temporary happiness. But Allah says, my remembrance brings you rest. That security in the heart. That contentment in the heart. No drug, no dollar, no pound, no euro, no woman, no man, no car, no house will ever bring you, except and only in the remembrance of Allah.